IPLान खेळपा जाय. दुसरे दिसा ते पेरंट्स म्हजे कडेन झगडपा आयले चिराग तो म्हणटा फाल्ल्यान आपूण शाळेन वतना.
Our club was formed in year 2021 with few like-minded friends and parents with main objective to give young shuttlers an impetus by providing coaching, training through exchange programs, diet, etc. We even had an exchange program with in Belgaum in Karnataka. Further, we wanted and identify young kids, especially from Salset Taluka, through schools and provide them facilities like free training and coaching. As we all know, badminton as a game is out of a common man's reach. In future, we intend to take our goals further for better badminton prospects for Goa and Goans.
When we took over this year in the month of May, we had said that we should have a certain standard which every club should keep up to when they organize an event. And in the last 7 events which we have organized, we had a particular standard, and I would like to congratulate Salset for taking the bench a little higher, benchmark a little higher. And I think every club, I have told Praveen to kindly make a note of all the good things which they have done, which we will also share with all the other clubs who are supposed to organize events now, telling them, requesting them, let us, if not this standard, something better. We should only do something better. We are also talking about center of excellence. Friends, what we have seen in the last 3 months, that there are limited pool of badminton players in Goa. We have the same players we see keep on playing at various tournaments. We said we should have it at least 5 times more. So we have already written to the sports department, to every school in Goa, that the PE teacher should identify at least 10 sports badminton players, 5 boys, 5 girls. If you don't get the 5 girls, then the boys can be more. And then we'll have in every taluka, we'll identify the best 10 or 15 players. Then from South Goa and North Goa, we'll identify top 50, and the GBA will support this player to upskill them. And we would request every club, like I was told Salset Badminton Club wants to support the players from Salset. We are also talking about the center of excellence in North Goa and in South Goa. Right now, the first center of excellence is supposed to be coming at Panjim, because the center of Khelo India has just shifted from Panjim to Mapsa. So we have requested the government kindly give us the indoor stadium, Panjim, and the GPA will see that how our players, the best of players, are trained. Similarly, we are working, we have requested them for a similar center of excellence in Margao. We are also talking about something subsequently in Kota, because the infrastructure in Goa is the best compared to any other state of India. For a small size of the state, the amount of stadiums which we are having is the best. So why don't we capitalize on that? The Chief Minister has given us all the support. He says, as long as you all support the badminton, the government is with you. And this is what we are working on. We have also requested, just for the information of the audience here, the World Masters is supposed to be held in India next year, wherein we expect 8 to 10,000 35 age and above coming into India to play. So the GPA have requested the National Badminton, why don't you give it to Goa? Because if that comes, then we'll have at least 8 to 10,000 senior people coming and playing in Goa. And that's something which our players can really witness. The best of talent who today may not be playing in the top ranking tournaments.
Why self-assessment is necessary? तुम्ही समज जर सेल्फ असेसमेंट ऑन डे टू डे बेसीस करना जाल्यार इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू सर्व युअर नेशन ऑर युअर स्टेट प्रॉपरली. कित्याक ऑन डे टू डे बेसीस वेदर इट इज हेल्थ, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम तुमचो वेट एंड स्टेमिना, इट इज नॉट ओनली कनेक्टेड टू career or education. Self-assessment starts from your body weight and stamina and health and your relation with the people around you. हे समज जर तुम्ही डे टू डे मॅनेज करपाक पावना at your own level, it is not possible to move out and serve your nation and serve the people of your nation, which is the most important part of your life. Now, I'll tell you one concept which is named as Dunning-Kruger concept. When to bang the nail. आता भुरग्यांनो तुमकां खबर आसा, there are two very important factors. One is capacity, second is skill. आता तुम्ही हे अंडरस्टँड करपा जाय. Very important phrase, when to bang the nail. The first criteria is low capacity, low skill. When you have low capacity and low skill, फुडें पावल घालनाकात. Second and third criteria is very dangerous. Second is high capacity but low skill. ह्या क्रायटेरियान समज जर तुम्ही फुडें सरली, it is not advisable. Imagine a case wherein you have high capacity but low skill. Third criteria is high skill but low capacity, which is also very dangerous. हे तुमचे वय जे पळय आसा, this is the age of self-development, self-assessment. Only then you can grow and serve your people or serve your nation. And the final criteria, this is the criteria when you attain, you have to bang the nail, which is high capacity and high skill. जेन्ना तुम्ही हे combination develop करतले, which is of high capacity and high skill, it is time to bang the nail to serve your people and to serve the nation. विचार करा, समज त्या लेवलाचेर तुमचे कडेन डिटर्मिनेशन आसा, तुम्ही तसो हार्डवर्क करपाक शकतात, जाल्यार यू गो अहेड, यू वील अटेन सक्सेस एट ओलंपीक लेवल. बट तुमकां तसो स्कोप ना जाल्यार प्लीज एनालायज द अदर पॉयंट्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, विच इज सिच्युएशन एंड नीड. सो कीप इन मायंड, स्पोर्ट्स म्हणटा सामको जायच. हांवें एकदां अशें भाशण केलें की स्पोर्ट्स जाय आनी तुमी ऑलिंपिक्साक पावपाक जाय, आनी एकट्याक सांगलें तुवें IPLान खेळपा जाय. दुसरे दिसा ते पेरंट्स म्हजे कडेन झगडपा आयले, चिराग तो म्हणटा फाल्ल्यान आपूण शाळेन वतना. ट्रेनींग घेता, हें कोचिंग घेता, which is very important. In Punjab, in the state of Punjab and Himachal, they are doing this, but for that एका तरेची सिस्टम जाय पडटा. तुमी डे टू डे यू हॅव टू टेक इट सिरियसली. ते हाफ हार्टेडली घेवन यू कॅनॉट टेक द अदर 2 points, which is situation and need. You cannot take these 2 points for granted. सो आतां सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार आनीक लास्ट मुद्दो, महम्मद अली हाका सांगिल्लें तुजी बॉडी सुटूच जायना बॉक्सिंगाक म्हणून, पूण आज ही इज कन्सिडर्ड एज द बिगेस्ट बॉक्सर इन द वर्ल्ड. कित्याक ताणें कान धापले. सो तुमकां हांव सांगता, कान, दोळे आनी आमी कितें म्हणटात जीब. सो द पाथ अहेड इज कीप युअर आयज 100% ओपन, कीप युअर माउथ 50% ओपन and shut your ears 100%. जायना 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 अशें लोक सांगतले, तुमी समज जर कान धापले न्ही, यू वील अटेन सक्सेस. हाजो अर्थ असो न्ही की यू वील नॉट गिव रिस्पेक्ट एंड वॉट एवर टू एल्डर्स आनी येतले. देर इज अ कायंड ऑफ स्टायल. काम करपाचें, कान धापून इतलेंच उलोवपाचें, 100% दोळे ओपन दवरपाचे.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.